In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and check out Walmart penny items online. We'll walk through the exact process from search to checkout so you can navigate it confidently and avoid common hiccups. Start by opening the Walmart website or app and use the search bar to look for Walmart penny items. This search pulls up listings and collections where extremely low-priced, often clearance items may appear. Results can vary by time and location, so don't worry if your screen looks a bit different from someone else's. When the results load, click on the listing or section that matches penny items. This could be a search results page or a curated group of very low-priced products. Give the page a moment to fully load. You'll usually see a spinner or progress bar. Let that finish so prices and availability update correctly. If it seems stuck, a quick refresh can help, but avoid clicking around too quickly so you don't interrupt the loading. Once it's loaded, you should see a variety of penny items or deeply discounted products. Browse through the options and check the price and availability on each item's tile. Inventory for these deals is often limited, so items may go in and out of stock quickly. If something looks good, open it to review the details, then click Add or Add to Cart. If the button briefly grays out or you get an out-of-stock message, try again or choose a different item. That's common with fast-moving discounts. After adding what you want, head to your cart by selecting the cart icon in the upper right corner. This is where you can confirm everything before you purchase. Look for the items you added and double check the price displayed in the cart. If something doesn't look right, you can remove it or adjust quantities here. Prices can sometimes update when you reach the cart, so this is a good moment to verify that the total still reflects those penny deals. When you're satisfied, click on Checkout to proceed. From there, follow the prompts on the screen to finalize your order. Keep an eye on the order summary as you move through checkout to make sure the prices remain as expected. If anything changes or an item drops out due to stock, you'll see it before you place the order. That's it. Search for Walmart penny items, open the penny items page, let it load, add the items you want, review everything in your cart, and click checkout to complete your purchase.